We march on with this MFI support and resistance strategy. It is day 56, Martin Luther King Day in America, so a bit quieter on the volume today. Not too much movement on our open trades. Euro pound a little bit bad. US dollar Swiss franc, no difference at all. And Euro US dollar, not really any difference there either. All told, no stop losses or take profits hit. And we've only got one new signal, the Euro Canadian dollar. It is a pretty nice overbought signal, right up at 100 on the MFI. You could definitely call a resistance level as well. Previously bouncing here, a little bounce there, and right in the zone way back as well. But because we are already shorting the euro on the US dollar and the pound currencies, we'll leave this one for now. See if it wants to go any higher. If it pushes up, stays overbought to this region, about another % or so, then we might find ourselves in another trade. Cool. Day number 58 after we missed day number 57. And we do come back to a loss today. US dollar Swiss franc finally hits there. That was a long old trade, taken all the way back in mid-November, 11th November to be precise. Even though we lost $208 on the trade, we did manage to get back around about 35 of that on the swap, so not as bad as it could have been. And other than that, wasn't a bad day, but didn't manage to take profit. Came very close on the euro pound and on the euro US dollar as well. Not quite there, but could easily be turning up to some good news tomorrow. See those take profit levels hit maybe. There's no new entry signals tonight. We do have overbought signals on both the New Zealand dollar CAD and the Australian dollar CAD. Not surprised to see those moving closely together, but no real resistance to be seen on either currency pair, so we'll leave that for now. Day 59, and it does bring us a winning trade on the Euro Great British Pound. Subtrade B coming in good for $208 with a $9 positive swap. Perfect. Taking profit on both those sub-trades. Still in a bit of profit on the Euro US dollar. Has gone against us, but no danger just yet, and we're already accumulating for the swap, so not too shabby. And we're going to get in on the Euro Canadian dollar now that we've taken profit on the pound, and we are getting up to a new high just up against this resistance level. And if we zoom out a couple times, peaks here and here where it's bounced as well. So liking the look of this one, let's give it a go. You can see our risk, of course, as we sell off the market. And one more. Our stop loss and take profit levels are looking decent. Can't see the stop losses, do have to zoom out. There they are. So that's plenty fine. 2 trades, 4 open sub trades. Euro CAD is very similar to the Euro US dollar, so likely they will move together, but hopefully that's in the direction we want it to go. Sell off your euros to help us out, get down the bank, swap them over, buy some of those Canadian and American dollars. Yep. Checking in at the end of day 60. Unfortunately, due to technical malfunctions of MetaTrader, I did have to reinstall the app, and sadly the login details for the account went with that reinstall. I did email the broker to see if they would reset the password, but haven't heard back from them yet. We were nearing the end of the strategy anyway, and we just had Euro US dollar and Euro Canadian dollar trades left. So what I'm going to do is look at the past videos and set our entry price, take profit and stop loss levels, just using the trend lines like this. And then if price goes past one of those lines, we'll treat it as a stop loss or take profit. We shan't account anything for swaps, and we'll call it $200 loss for any sub trade, $130 win for sub trade A, and $200 win for sub trade B. We'll just get those lines down. Here we go, Euro US dollar. You can see take profit levels down here, stop loss here. Price finish for the weekend right at the entry price, so none of those levels hit so far. Same for the Euro Canadian dollar. You can see it's set up here, take profit, stop loss. It was a good day for our trade, has moved towards the take profit, yet to hit that level though, get past it by just a fraction. Even if we see it poke out by 1 pip the other side, we will class that as a win. But we're not taking any more new trades, so we'll just check in on these ones, the last ones, see how we finish the strategy. We could still lose $800. Our account balance is just over $10,500. That means an overall loss for the strategy is still on the table, but equally if we hit all the take profit levels, we'll have more than 10% gains for it. We'll see how it turns out, but let's round off the week in the journal. Things have been getting better when we look at the journal. Did take a loss on the US dollar Swiss franc, which was unfortunate, but still a really nice swap back from it. The euro pound was a profitable sub trade B, and as well a small gain on the swap. So overall a nice week. They see just the Euro US dollar and Euro Canadian dollar left. Currently at $579.87 up. That's 13 trades in 60 days of trading. Plenty more available, but those are the ones we picked. We just got to see through these final trades now. Down with the euro, up with North America. That's what we want.